the Samsung Galaxy S10 is gonna play Huawei's move this time. We all know that the Mate 20 Pro sports a new feature called reverse wireless charging, which turns your smartphone into a wireless charger. This technology still needs to be improved in terms of charging speed, and that's what Samsung will do with the help of Galaxy S10. The device is said to have a charging speed of 9 watt versus Mate 20 Pro's 2.5 watt. The improvement sounds good, and I expect S10 to commercialize this technology to a far greater extent, just because a company like Samsung forces other companies to adopt a similar strategy. At least a flagship should have all those features that we actually need. Of course, the reverse wireless charging sounds like a gimmick at first, but believe me, I've used it and I like to use it more often. Agreed, the Mate 20 Pro doesn't offer that good experience, but I appreciate this approach and I wish to have it on every flagship phone. There have been a lot of reports related to S10's pricing that forced tech YouTubers to make a video and clear all your doubts. MKBHD and Unbox Therapy did the same thing, but they have got something wrong here. According to the information they provide, the S10 series will be priced between $800 to $2,000. But if you just look at the current market trend, smartphones with higher price tags are not doing so well. And Samsung knows that, so to keep up with the same pricing rule, Samsung will arrange S10 models like this. I can assure you that the pricing will be very much like this and possibly even lower than this. The Galaxy S10 has been in the rumors for all 4 models, out of which we have seen the 2 middle models, and now we are left with the 5G S10 Plus and S10e. I don't have any real life picture of the 5G variant, but the S10e is now official. I mean, this leak comes from a Samsung employee who might have lost his job after this because the phone has his ID over the display, and yeah, the device will be called S10e instead of S10 Lite. It admires a flat display with uniform bezel view. Of course, the bottom bezel looks a bit larger, but this is just a prototype and the real device will admire a very proper look. You'll not be able to spot those bezels while using the smartphone, as they'll be somewhere between iPhone XS and XR. The power button on this device, which also has an integrated fingerprint scanner, is placed a bit higher, and looking at the size of this phone, it should be easier to reach it. The S10 is also rumored to get optical image stabilization and 4K video support up to 60 frames per second, and yeah, this is for the front camera of this device. I don't know whether it's true or not, as we have no source for this feature, but if it comes out to be true, it will give you a full vlogging experience. Also, the Galaxy S10 will become world's first smartphone to get this front camera upgrade. Again, take this leak as a pinch of salt for now, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.